today's session, we will discuss about the application of ablation to thyroid diseases. We will see how to select the patient for this kind of treatment, and we will discuss the application in benign thyroid nodules and in malignant thyroid diseases, both recurrent thyroid tumors and primary thyroid tumors.
In today's session we will cover the transplantation complications. We will start with the renal transplantation complications, then we move over to the small bowel, and then we will cover the transplantation complications following a liver transplantation. There are the vascular complications, also the biliary complications. So the most frequent biliary complications are biliary leakage and biliary strictures. And my talk will focus on those and the indications for IR management of those complications.
So today in our session on obstetric hemorrhage, we're fortunate to have with us an obstetrician to give us the clinical perspective and to talk about the role of interventional radiology in obstetric hemorrhage. And we have our experts then speaking to us about using interventional radiology, both in emergency and in elective settings for obstetric hemorrhage. In my particular talk, what I'll be focusing on a bit more is the setup of the interventional radiology unit, and this is based on our experience as a referral center for high-risk pregnancies.
Today is the image guiding session, new techniques, so that's going to be very interesting. Especially the optical CT is something to look forward to. My part in this would be on MR-guided vascular interventions. It's going to be fun, and I'm very keen on learning from the respective speakers.
So today we have a session on the devious neck, and in my opinion it's an extremely important session because it will cover not only all treatment options but also discuss what a good proximal neck is, and even more importantly that we don't have to focus only on the short-term result but on durability. And I think that's the key issue or the key message behind the session.